Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the Vanrohe small round coffee table, a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern functionality designed for small spaces like living rooms, balconies, or offices. This 23.5-inch, two-tier coffee table features a beautiful rustic brown wooden finish complemented by sturdy black metal legs, ensuring both style and durability. Its high-quality MDF board and robust metal legs can support up to 220 pounds, making it a reliable centerpiece for your space. The table's innovative design includes an open storage shelf underneath, providing ample space for decorative books, magazines, or coasters, while the polished plastic leg bottoms protect your floors. Assembly is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes without the need for tools, thanks to the easy-to-twist screws and pre-drilled holes. If you have any questions, Vanrohe's excellent customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.